Today we will learn on a specific color while making a rest of the image black and white. First we have a two photo and on background. I'll select on photo and go to the hue saturation curve. From here I'll click hue versus saturation and select the color I want to keep. Here I'll choosing red. You will see the three lines. I'll keep the red line as it is and drag the lines before and after it downward. This will keep the red colors while making all the other colors black and white. Now I'm follow the same process for the second photo. If the color doesn't stand out clearly, I'll move the line slightly to the right to make the color more prominent. Compare how the photo looks before and after the change. For more color correction videos, click the above. Thank you.